Now that I have all these lovely heart-shaped pieces of art, I want to display them, and I've decided that I'm going to do that by making a heart garland. So if you'll flip over to the back of your hearts, what you want to do is find this little pocket. So you don't want to punch a hole through your artwork, of course. What I'm actually going to do is punch 2 holes. There's a little middle line here, and I'm going to punch 1 hole on each side. Then I'm going to get some pink ribbon. Pink because of Valentine's Day, but it can be any kind of ribbon, and I think string would work too. I'm going to weave it through in 1 hole and out the other. Now, if you put the holes right there, then when you hang your garland, the heart stays upright and you can hang it wherever you want it to go on the wall. Now, as I was trying to figure this out, I was tempted to put holes here and here because I thought that would make for a nice garland. But if you put the holes there, then your heart just flops all the way down like that, which is kind of sad. So make sure that when you're punching your holes, you want to do it right here, and make sure you don't go through the drawing or the art. Now I'm just going to punch holes in all the rest of them. Now, having a single hole punch is very handy right now, but you could potentially just cut little slits with scissors. If you want to do that, then just sort of pinch the paper and do a little cut. And then another one on the other side. Might be a little bit harder to thread the ribbon through, but not too much harder. And it will work just the same. That way you don't feel like you have to buy a hole punch if this is the only thing that you're going to be doing with it. And I can get it through. Maybe. There we go. Still works just the same, and it might even create a little more tension so that they don't slide around on your garland. So if you want them to stay in very specific spots or be more spaced out, then that might be a good option. All right, I'm going to go ahead and hole punch the rest, and I will show you guys the end result. Here's the completed heart garland, which is a fun way to display your kids' art and decorate for Valentine's Day.